Suddenly, if you can't find or see your HomePod Mini's name in the AirPlay list, it's showing on the corner panel on your iPhone but disappeared from AirPlay list, so you can't switch between it and your iPhone while playing music. If that's the issue you're facing, in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to solve it. Now, this happens either when the HomePod is turned off somehow accidentally, having trouble connecting to the Wi-Fi, or if your iPhone and HomePod is connected to two different Wi-Fi networks, or just for some minor glitch. Now, first make sure your HomePod isn't accidentally turned off by commanding Siri to do anything. If Siri is responding, that means it's turned on.
I'm listening.
Then make sure your Wi-Fi is fast and stable enough. And also your iPhone and the HomePod Mini is using the same Wi-Fi network. You'll immediately get the result by your HomePod's name being appeared on the AirPlay list. Now, just in case if you're still not seeing its name, might be for just some minor glitch. To solve that, open your Home app, tap on HomePod's name, tap on this wheel icon or settings, scroll down till the end, tap on Reset HomePod, and from here just select and restart your HomePod. Your HomePod Mini will take a moment to shut down and restart again. And after it reconnects to your iPhone, there is no reason that you can see its name on the AirPlay list. Thanks for watching.